in the form of ax squared plus k. We have that a is going to be minus 2.9 and k is going to be minus 8.3. Because a is negative, the parabola is going to open downwards. Okay, and then the vertex can be represented by 0k because our equation is in this form. So 0k in this case is 0 minus 8.3. Okay, so for the domain and range, the domain of any parabola is going to be x is the set of real numbers. Okay. As for the range, right, we need to first figure out the max or min value. Because we have a downward facing parabola, right, this point right here is the vertex, right, and the y value of the vertex will be a maximum value, okay? So we'll have a maximum value because we have a downward facing parabola. It's going to be the y value of the vertex, right? So the max value is just y is equal to minus 8.3, okay? So then the range, right, as long as our y value is under this, right, so as long as our y value is less than or equal to the maximum possible value, right, our function makes sense.